If you're having trouble verifying your identity on Coinbase, don't worry. This guide will walk you through the steps to successfully complete the verification process. Step 1. Check your documents. Ensure that you have the correct identification documents ready. This typically includes a government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license, and may also require a secondary form of identification. Step 2. Clear image submission. Take clear, well-lit photos of your identification documents. Make sure that all text is legible and that there are no reflections or shadows obscuring the information. Use a flat surface and avoid using the flash. Step 3. Use the Coinbase app. If you're using a web browser, consider switching to the Coinbase mobile app. The app may have a more streamlined verification process and can help you submit your documents more easily. Step 4. Contact support. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After resubmitting your documents or contacting support, be patient. Verification can take some time, so keep an eye on your email for any updates or requests for additional information. By following these steps, you should be able to navigate the verification process more effectively. If you encounter further issues, don't hesitate to seek assistance from Coinbase support.